Trump is in very good health following his annual physical, his doctor says The New York Times. By end. Washington U. President Trump's personal physician said on Friday that the president is in very good health and should remain so for the remainder of his presidency and beyond after Mr. Trump underwent a comprehensive physical examination at Walter Reed National Military Medical Center outside Washington. But Dr. Sean Conley, a Navy officer who is the president's physician and the current director of the White House Medical Unit, released no details about what a team of 11 specialists had found in the course of a 4-hour examination of Mr. Trump. Dr. Conley said, last year, after Mr. Trump's first full examination as president, the White House took the unusual step of having Dr. Ronnie L. Jackson, then the president's physician, deliver a lengthy report in the White House briefing room and then answer questions from reporters. Dr. Jackson was, "It's called genetics," Dr. Jackson said. "I told the president." Dr. Jackson also said at the time that Mr. Trump had requested a cognitive function screening test and had performed well. Dr. Conley did. Periodic medical exams for the president are a tradition that goes back decades, and historically, presidential checkups tend to buoy whatever image the president has presented about his health. The doctors who examined Mr. Trump on Friday, whose areas of expertise were not detailed by the White House, were working to detect signs of improvement or cause for concern in areas publicly detailed last year by Dr. Jackson. While Dr. Jackson referred last year to the president's excellent condition, he also laid out a few health goals for the president, including reducing Mr. Trump's weight and lowering levels of what is commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. Among the open questions is whether Mr. Trump was able to shed 10 to 15 pounds from his weight last year, when it was reported to be 239 pounds, just below the official label of obesity, on his 6'3" frame. Dr. Jackson's, "The president's weight has been a moving target in recent years," who was Mr. Trump's longtime physician in New York City before he moved to the White House, said in September 2016 that Mr. Trump weighed 236 pounds. In December on Friday, a White House spokesman said that Mr. Trump had not adhered fully to the program prescribed by Dr. Jackson, which included a nutritionist-advised diet and an exercise program. The president received a diet and exercise plan last year after his annual physical, Hogan Gidley, the spokesman, said in a statement, but the president admits he has not followed it religiously. Another goal was reducing Mr. Trump's high cholesterol level of 223 mg/deciliter with a low dose of a powerful statin drug. Dr. Jackson, after Mr. Trump's examination in January 2018, Dr. Jackson said he had deferred a routine colonoscopy until the next periodic physical exam, but it was unclear if Mr. Trump had undergone a colonoscopy as part of Friday's examination. The White House did not comment on whether Mr. Trump underwent the procedure, which is conducted to detect polyps, cancer, and other ailments, but said that he did not undergo any procedures requiring sedation or anesthesia. In the past, presidents have invoked the 25th Amendment, which temporarily transfers power to the vice president, if they underwent sedation as part of that procedure. President George W. Bush invoked the 25th Amendment twice when he underwent colonoscopies, temporarily transferring power to Vice President Dick Cheney. In 2000, Mr. Trump has had repeated colonoscopies in years past that showed no cancer or bowel disease, Dr. Bornstein has said. Dr. Bornstein, there were no other items besides the physical on the president's public schedule on Friday, but the presidential Twitter account was still updating the public while Mr. Trump was at Walter Reed. Mr. Trump said Mr. Gidley did not explain to reporters why or how the president was tweeting during his physical.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.